Hey guys, it's PMHK here, obviously, and today I just wanted to talk to you guys about a couple of things that I have on my mind, and obviously this will kind of make a new series that I will be doing once in a while, like once in a very separate while. It's not gonna be a short. So I wanted to address a couple of issues, not really issues, but just something that I've been thinking about. And first of all, I actually wrote them down so I don't forget. It's kind of like my reminder. So the first thing I wanted to talk to you guys about, I don't know, many of you guys are going to find this not to do with what normally goes on to the channel, but just bear with me for this kind of series. But if you think you're not interested, obviously you can always switch off or get off YouTube and come back next time. The first thing I wanted to talk to you guys is I got a new haircut, but that's not literally it. But getting a new haircut made me think of something else that's been happening. So a couple of weeks ago, I couldn't really get hold of my old barber, the guy that used to cut my hair or still cuts my hair. So I kind of had to change and go to Soberman. Now, the lady that did my hair that side did it amazingly. I actually like it. I didn't really like it as much as my old guy, but it was good. And plus, they washed my hair. I normally don't wash my hair. So she washed my hair. I even fell asleep while she was pampering my hair. But that's besides the point. What made me think is that we tend to take things for granted, in the sense that because I was used to always going to the same guy, I would just go and sit, not have to tell him anything on how I wanted my hair to be cut. We take for granted that that can be taken away. That will not always be there, and at the end of the day I'd have to go and find someone else to start doing my hair. But this also can be applied to life in general, not only obviously the hair, but it can be applied in life in general, especially let's talk about relationships. People that normally in relationships tend to take their partners for granted because they have been there or they think they will be there forever. So they start doing things that, or they stop doing things that basically they used to do in the beginning and so forth. But yeah, things that I think we should really take consideration to the small things that we actually have around us, and always remember that they are not there forever. Basically, that's what that was on my mind in regards to taking things for granted. But moving on what's on my mind, the next thing is I've got a new mic, or we've got a new mic. I don't know if I actually sound different. I'm still trying to figure out what's the best settings of it. Right now I'm using it. Let me show you guys how it looks like, because I know you guys will want to see. I can always throw in some b-roll, but this is supposed to be a straight up video, so I'm not gonna do any b-roll for this video. So let me switch on to the phone's camera so you guys can see what's going on, and bang. So this is the new mic I'm talking about. This is the Zoom H4n, and I got this new mic to try and improve the sound quality, because I really been not digging the sound quality of my videos when I'm in the kitchen. There's a lot of echo. Obviously it's not gonna fix every problem, but it's gonna get us closer to a solution. And what I got this mic for, it is for kind of a big project that I'm going to be working on for YouTube, obviously for you guys, and it should be done, no promises, but maybe end of this month. I want to make a video where I'll be probably interviewing people on something, but you guys can stay tuned for that video. So I got it a second hand. Obviously I actually wanted to buy it a brand new, but obviously since I am the buying guru that I am, talking about being a buying guru, I was thinking about it the other day, and I've actually done logistics. If you guys don't know, I have a degree in logistics, and one of the subjects we used to do was purchasing. So basically I am a qualified purchaser. That's why I know all that I know about buying and selling. Anyways, where was I lost track of things. That's what happens when you're just freestyling. But anyways, so let's move right to the next topic, and it's that we are growing faster than ever. I mean, we just reached 500 subscribers not even a month ago, and we're about to hit 600 subscribers. It might not mean a lot to much, I mean a lot to many, but for me it's really really a lot, because I've started this it's been a while, and to see that the growth is steady and getting better, it is really a plus. So I actually thank you guys for subscribing. Obviously, if you're not subscribed to this video already and you're watching this video, make sure you subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Yeah, if you like the video, obviously. If you hate this video, you can always give it a thumbs down. Engagement is engagement, no matter how you're engaging. And lastly, what's been actually bothering me is that YouTube is trying to implement a new feature or change a feature. If you guys are aware of how things work on Instagram and Twitter nowadays, is that your subscription feed or your feed is not coming in an orderly manner anymore. Normally it used to be chronological, so you would get the latest news first and then so forth. But with YouTube, it's not like that. When you go to your subscribers list, you can see who uploaded last at the end and who uploaded first in the beginning. Okay, you could see the latest video on top and the old videos in the bottom. What they planning to do is to jumble that thing up again, like Instagram does and all those other applications or all those other social media platforms are doing. And for small creators like myself and other, that is really a problem. And the only way forward, or the only way to actually mitigate that between you and I, is if you actually have your notifications on. So whenever I post a video, you can actually just go and click from the notification and go straight to the video. I think with that in mind, you will not be missing my videos, even if your subscription or your subscribers box, or whatever I can call it, is jumbled up by YouTube as they are planning to. But hopefully it's not gonna come to pass, and it's just gonna be a feature where you can disable and enable, because that's what they say according to them. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. I know some of you guys are actually really engaging on the comments, and I really appreciate that. It's really appreciated. And yeah, I will take you guys on my next video. Right now I actually need to go to the mall and probably get some stuff, but I'm not gonna take you guys with me this time. I really don't feel like vlogging. I haven't been feeling like vlogging lately, but yeah, you'll probably see what I get up to or what I buy, if I buy anything for the channel. But yeah, I guess I'll check you guys on the next video. Peace.